Today now I'm going to do a vegetable kofta curry with the leftover juice peel. So it is the concept of zero wastage. So whatever which has been left over after taking the juice, the peels, it is a combination of beetroot, carrot and other vegetables. So we will be making a kofta sort of it by adding little bit of potato to it, adding little bit of chilies to it, adding some coriander, and for a little bit of binding we will be adding little bit of corn flour. So now we will be mixing it with properly. It is actually a very good initiative to make a zero wastage approach, repurposing the ingredients instead of throwing them out. So we need to mash up very properly. Now I will be adding a little bit of pepper powder to it. See, now I can make a kofta sort of it. Now you're gonna bake this koftas instead of frying it.